Time Matters is a collection of lists that consist of various records. This module will explain how these records link or relate to one another. Records are usually related by staff, contacts, and matters. Let's take a high-level look at how this works. When we set up Time Matters for our firm, we created records for each staff member. Let's say a staff member knows a local prosecutor who is entered into Time Matters as a contact record. The staff record and the individual contact record are related. If the firm creates a matter and makes both the staff member and prosecutor contact participants on it, this creates another related record. Now the matter, staff, and contact records are all related. Let's now take a look at what happens when we add some actions. Let's say the staff member schedules a meeting regarding this matter. Another related record is created. We call these types of records supporting records. Subsequent actions, such as a phone call made to the contact regarding the matter, create yet another supporting record. Throughout the life of the matter, each event or action creates additional related records. Now let's see how these relationships look in Time Matters. Time Matters assigns two types of relationships, automatic and specified. An automatic relationship is created through the use of common data fields. For example, assigning a matter number to an event record relates the two together. A specified relationship occurs when there is no connection through a linked matter, contact, or staff, and instead a user manually creates a relationship between records. We will look at automatic records first. Automatic relationships can be created through regarding fields and by using linking lookup fields. Let's open a matter. On every matter, three key fields are used to identify it. They are matter reference, matter number, and client. These fields together are referred to as regarding fields. We can confirm these relationships by looking at the record properties and opening the Link tab. Here we can see the client and contact links for this matter. We can also see related records on the Related tab. This tab includes all records that have been linked to the matter in any capacity. We will return to this tab later in the lesson. When we add regarding field information to supporting records, like events or time entries, those records become related to the matter or contact. Let's add an event to see how this works. We'll start by adding a scheduled phone call with a client. Notice as we click in the first field on the regarding line, the field name changes to matter reference. As we complete the field with our matter reference and client, a record relationship is established between the new event and both the matter and contact records. Let's leave the event form for now and take another look at the matter record. We can see from the staff field that a relationship has been established between Robert Brown and this matter. Now, if we return to the event record, we can also create a link between the event and Robert Brown by assigning him as the staff member for this activity. Let's open the lookup for staff and select Robert Brown. We have just created a related record by linking one staff member, but we could create relationships for multiple staff members by assigning more than one. Related records can be established by linking other record types as well. For example, let's say we want to add an unrelated contact, such as William Albright, an expert witness, to participate on this call. We can tell that the contact is linked with the event from the lookup icon, which changed from an ellipse to arrows to indicate a link. Now, if we look at the record properties for the event and go to the Link tab, We can see all the records related to this event. Now that we know how to link a supporting record back to a matter, contact, or staff, let's see how to add a related record directly from the matter. Let's go to the matters list. With a matter selected, we can create related records by selecting an action on the Navigate pane. Let's add an event for the selected matter, Arthur Patent. When the new record opens, the regarding fields are already populated, meaning this event is automatically related to both the matter and client. As before, we can add more related records through the link lookup icons next to the staff and with fields. If we access the Matter form, we can add related records using the various tabs. Let's say we add a phone record for a call we made on behalf of the client. The phone record opens with the matter and client references already added. We just need to enter the remaining phone call details. We've seen how related records are created automatically when linking by matter, contact, or staff. Let's now look at how to relate records using specified relationships, where the user manually creates a relationship. For this matter, let's go to the Related tab to view all the current relationships for this matter. To create a specified relationship, we click the Add Record icon. In the resulting window, we have the options to choose both the type of record and the type of relationship. In this example, let's add the expert witness William Albright, who participated on the phone call. We'll select Contact and choose to add an existing record. We then need to select the type of relationship, so let's go to Lookup and pick Expert from the Relationship Codes window. Then click OK to continue. A notification instructs us on how to tag and untag records on the contact list. Click OK. We tag William Albright and save the selection. William Albright is now included on our list of related records under Contact Records. Notice the tilde before his name. This indicates a specified relationship, which can easily be broken at any time by selecting the Delete Record icon above. Speaking of deleting records, a deleted matter goes to the Time Matters recycle bin. The links to all of its related records are severed, but those records are not removed. If the matter is restored from the recycle bin, all of the automatic related records, which are those linked by matter, contact, or staff, are restored. However, links created with specified relationships are not restored. Now that you know how to add and view related records, you can learn more about Time Matters by selecting other lessons.